Hi Clint, it's Rachel. Thanks for clicking on this video. I'm just going to briefly show you a few things I found on your website that you can fix easily so you can start bringing in more business. We're just going to touch on a few things. This is totally free information. You can do with it what you'd like, but if you follow these tips, it's going to help you rank on Google. Now, the three things that we're going to talk about today are content, backlinks, and citations. So I've got your website up here. It's not too bad. It would be good to put your contact number right up here, just readily available for clients as soon as they click on your page. It's just right there. All they have to do is hit it. That's it. Scrolling down, you've got some information here about you guys, which is great. You got some of your services. You can always go into more depth with your services and kind of put that right up there at the top. And you have the opportunity for careers, which is great. Your footer is nice. It's got your contact information again, but again, we really want that contact number right up there, readily available here at the top. Now, aside from a nice looking website, Google really cares about the content that's on your home page, and they want you sitting between a 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. I've gone ahead and I put your website into wordcounter.net. And as you can see, you're sitting at about 240. Now, I've also gone and put in Contractors Electric LLC and Reynolds Electric, which are top competitors in your area. And let's see, we've got the Contractors Electric are at 191 words, so you're already beating them. And then Reynolds is at 616 words. So really nobody's close to that 1,500 mark, but you're pretty far behind Reynolds on that. So you definitely want to get caught up and get that command content put onto your home page. In addition to that, you want to sprinkle in some of those keywords like Elecrician, Eugene. When I look for that on your home page, it doesn't show up at all. And these are buyer intent keywords. So what Google's going to do is send crawlers through your website when a client's typing this into Google. If you have this matching, it's going to bring you up. If you don't have it in there, then Google's not going to help you rank at all. All right, now the next thing that we're going to talk about is backlinks. So Google is similar to a popularity contest. And so backlinks are very important. Google wants to see that a bunch of other websites are vouching for you. They're giving your website a shout out. They're saying that you're trustworthy, but Google also has to make sure that those websites that are shouting you out are trustworthy and relevant too. So not all backlinks are created equal. For example, if Pizza Hut were to give you a backlink, it's not going to be as powerful to Google because Google knows that you're not a pizza company. Now, the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool, but you don't have to use it. There are plenty of free tools out there. So I've gone ahead and put you into Ahrefs, and as you can see, low backlinks. The backlinks are going to be on these referring domains, so that's really what we're going to pay attention to. But I also want to point out your UR is your trustworthy rating with Google, and your DR is your power rating. We really want those two to be, well, existent and much higher and pretty close to each other as well. We want you to have that nice golden ratio there. And I've also put in your top competitors. So we've got the Contractors Electric LLC. As you can see, they've got a ton of backlinks. They only have 51 referring domains. This comes into play with the fact that not all backlinks are created equal. Their trustworthy rating is pretty high, but their power rating is pretty low, and they're pretty far apart from each other. So they probably got some backlinks in there that aren't quite as relevant to them as they should be, and so it's not really helping them rank at all. And then for Reynolds, their trustworthiness is not there either. Their power is pretty high, so they probably got some decent backlinks, but again, they most likely have a lot of backlinks that aren't very relevant or trustworthy to their website, and Google's seeing that, and it's not ranking them highly enough. They have a lot of referring domains, but same thing, not super great there. And so if you want to get yourself beating these guys out, you can click into these referring domains and you can get yourself added to these exact same websites, because if they're good enough to help them rank, then they're going to be good enough to help you rank as well. And the way to do that is to either register an account. Sometimes you just email the account owner. Sometimes you pay a monthly fee for it, but it's worth it when you start to see the organic traffic that can bring into these companies. in comparison to your 67. So this is 315 people and 376 people that are looking at their website per month, and that's bringing in some organic money to them as well. And so when they start to rank organically, they're going to start to rank right down here. And this is exactly where you want to be in the organic section. Now, the next thing that we're going to talk about is this area right up here called the local map pack or the Google My Business. And to get here, it's mainly citations. And so what a citation is just your business's name, address, and phone number listed in a directory. And a directory is something like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, things like that. So what I would do if I was in your shoes is I would find out all the directories that my competitors are listed in, and I would get myself added to those exact same ones. And then I would go beyond that. And so if these guys are in about 150, I'd get myself put into 200, 250 directories and really blow them out of the water. And then right up here, just the last little thing that I'll show you is these Google Ads. You can bid for Google Ads. You just have to outbid these guys on these keywords for those Google Ads. And that can get you first right up here, getting your citation out there and adding more pictures to your Google My Business can get you ranked right up here in the top map pack. And then getting those backlinks out there, improving that content, adding those keywords is going to help you rank organically right here. And that's going to have you #1 across all of Google, which is going to let your clients know that Google trusts you, you're trustworthy, and it's going to bring more business to you. So that's all I've got for you today, Clint. I tried to keep this informative and helpful, and I wanted to just keep it short and to the point. So just a quick recap, we really want to up that content to 1,500. We really want to sprinkle in those keywords. You can put something like the electrician Eugene loves right up here in order to accomplish something like that pretty easily. After that, we touched on our backlinks and getting more backlinks and referring domains and just using the same ones as our competitors, because if they rank them, they'll rank you too. And then lastly, we touched quickly on Google Ads and how to get yourself into this map pack. So you're probably wondering what you can do now. You've got two options. You can go ahead and take this information and do this all on your own, and I welcome you to do that. Again, this is all just free. If you want to use it, you can. If you don't, no harm, no foul. Otherwise, I'm happy to help you. If you want to give me a call, we can come up with a plan for you, and you can reach me at 406-530-7548. Thanks.